that Dahlia?
Hey, it's Fabulous Friday.
Like, how did this even happen? Huh? Like, you already know we already struggling as it is.
Well, I told you that there's shelter to pregnant girls.
This is the last thing I need today.
Oh my goodness, I am so sorry about this.
Iris.
Jason? Mr. Griggs?
Dahlia, you wouldn't know a good loving man if you saw him.
Rose, you don't know me.
Oh, love, but I do.
We're going to talk about some topics here. We want to start off with your mom. Okay? We want to go all the way back to your mom.
Well, you know that she was very judgmental and
Iris. Hey, Iris. Why are you acting like this right now, man? Why can't you just be civil enough just to talk to me, please?